everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are fine and safe. So in this video we are going to see the solution of chapter number 17, Across the Wall. So let's start with question number 1. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter in the box provided against each question. Number 1. Which sport did Afsana play? Options: A. Cricket, B. Kabaddi, C. Basketball, D. Hockey. Answer is C. Basketball. Number 2. What did the coach reply to Zareen's request to learning the sport? Options: A. He agreed to teach her all alone. B. He refused to teach her. C. He said he did not have time. D. If she could make a team, he would teach her. Answer is D. If she could make a team, he would teach her. Number 3. What did Afsana's mother say when she told her that she wanted to play basketball? Options: A. She allowed Afsana to play. B. She asked Afsana to take her father's permission. C. Girls do not play basketball. D. We do not have enough money to buy sports equipment. Answer is C. Girls do not play basketball. Number 4. Which fact does the coach of Afsana's team tell them not to think of when they play? Options: A. Whether we will win or not. B. The coach will scold us if we lose. C. We are girls. D. The opposite team is strong. Answer is C. We are girls. Number 5. Which of the following is an indoor game? Options: A. Hopping, B. Chess, C. Kabaddi, D. Basketball. Answer is B. Chess. Number 6. Which feelings need to be strong in a team if it has to do well? Options: A. The feeling of doing well individually. B. The feeling of defeating the opposite team anyhow. C. The feeling of taking revenge of the opposite team. D. The feeling of team spirit in every player of the team. Answer is D. The feeling of team spirit in every player of the team. Number 7. What does a player who has the ball have to do to gain a goal point in basketball? Options: A. The player has to throw the ball. B. The player has to throw the ball outside the opposite boundary. C. The player has to dunk the ball into the basket. D. The player has to dash the ball against the board on the pole. Answer is C. The player has to dunk the ball into the basket. Number 8. By what should a player's achievement in a sport be recognized? Options: A. By his or her gender. B. By his or her financial state. C. By his or her ability to play the game. D. By the number of years he or she has been playing. Answer is C. By his or her ability to play the game. Next, question number 2. Fill in the blanks in each sentence with an appropriate word. Number 1. As a player, Dash has become a strong support for the Nagpada Basketball Association. Answer is Afsana. Number 2. Society must give dash opportunities to girls and boys in every field. Answer is equal. Number 3. In the field of sports, the person who trains a team is called a dash. Answer is coach. Number 4. The game of carom is an dash game. Answer is indoor. Number 5. The rival team in Solapur considered the Nagpada team to be of a dash level. Answer is junior. Number 6. Women who fought bravely are known as dash in our history. Answer is brave-hearted women. Number 7. To play with team spirit, it is necessary to know each other's strength and dash. Answer is weaknesses. Next, question number 3. Put a tick mark in front of the statement that are true and a cross in front of those that are false. Number 1. Afsana's mother allowed her to play basketball without any disagreements. Answer is false. Number 2. The area on which a game of basketball is played is known as a court. Answer is true. Number 3. There should be no discrimination between girls and boys. Answer is true. Number 4. One should always play for individual glory in a team. Answer is false. Number 5. The coach of Afsana's team started a game by first making players run. Answer is true. Number 6. If there is no cooperation among a team, then even if each player is skilled, the team can lose. Answer is true. Now, question number 4. Match the columns appropriately. Write the correct index letter alphabet from column B in the answer column. Number 1. Zareen. Answer is D. Requested the coach to train them. Number 2. Khushnur. Answer is E. Was adamant, so her parents gave in. Number 3. Afsana. Answer is B. Took permission from her mother with the help of her coach and friends. Number 4. Afreen. Answer is A. Father allowed her to play in spite of grandmother's refusal. Next, question number 5. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. Number 1. Name the 4 leading players of the girls' team of the Nagpada Basketball Association. Answer. The 4 leading players of the girls' team of the Nagpada Basketball Association are Afsana, Zareen, Khushnur and Afreen. Number 2. By which name did people address Mustafa Khan? Answer. People addressed Mustafa Khan by the name of Bachu Khan. Number 3. Apart from playing, what other activities take place at a public playground? Answer. Apart from playing, many people go to the ground for morning jogs and public meetings, exhibitions, get-togethers, feasts, magic shows, and circus shows also happen at this place. Number 4. Which games, sports do you play on your school ground? Answer. We play games like kabaddi, kho-kho, volleyball, badminton, cricket, etc. Number 5. Which sports are P.T. Usha and Mary Kom known for? Answer. P.T. Usha is known for running, athletics, and Mary Kom is known for boxing. Number 6. How did Khushnoor get permission to play basketball? Answer. Khushnoor's parents refused to let her play basketball. However, when Khushnoor insisted, they agreed to let her play. Number 7. On what basis is a player selected for a sport? Answer. A player is selected for a sport not on the basis of his or her gender or financial condition, but on his or her ability to play the game. Number 8. Which competition should be avoided in a game? Answer. Competition that lacks sportsmanship and that which is done for rank should be avoided in a team. Number 9. Name some games that are played with a ball. Answer. Games like cricket, volleyball, hockey, football, tennis, basketball, table tennis, and baseball are played with a ball. Number 10. In which area other than sports have you heard of women getting recognition? Answer. Yes, I have heard of women getting recognition in various fields like astronomy as astronauts, the police force, the army, in literature as authors, as well as in the field of acting, business, social service, politics, etc. 11. What are outdoor games? Answer. Games that are played on playgrounds outside a house are known as outdoor games. So here we complete the solution till question number 5. If you have any doubt, query or suggestion, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video with the second part of this chapter. Till then, bye bye. Take care.